Hello, it's Justin May with the Dixie Law Group. Today we're going to talk about 3 things you should ask an insurance company. But the first thing is, should you even ask them anything, ever? Probably not, because they're not there to help you. They're there, like we've talked about in our prior videos, to help their shareholders. However, if you are going to talk to them, the first thing you should ask is, what is the policy limits for the person that hit me? How much money was the other car insured for? What is their policy limit for property damage and for damage to yourself, medical bills, and all of that? In Kentucky, that is discoverable information in a lawsuit. Most of the time, they won't tell you, which again tells you all you need to know about talking to them. The last thing you need to talk about is, what is your coverage for property damage and how will that get handled? What do I mean by that? I mean, are they gonna send it to one of their buddy car shops, auto shops, that's gonna cut a deal and do a half job on your car fixing it? So then you're driving down the road and it's like the Flintstones and your car falls apart. Not great. So you need to check and say, hey, where are you sending this car? Do you have a contract with them? Do you have some kind of agreement that cuts their rate? Because if they're cutting the rate for you, that means they're cutting the rate for them, which means it's not gonna be as good. In Kentucky, you can take your car wherever you want and get it fixed, and they have to pay for it. It's then up to the insurance company to fight with them, but at the end of the day, they have to do it. So you need to ask them about property damage. Asking an insurance company a question can lead to a black hole of nothing. No answers, no response to your questions, a lot of, we'll get back to you, a lot of, we need more facts, a lot of questions that they're gonna ask you to provide them information instead of them answering your questions. That's why you need to call a lawyer who's dealt with insurance companies, who's dealt with lawyers that are paid by insurance companies, who has been to court and fought for their client. They know what they're doing, they know how to handle it. And here at the Dixie Law Group, that's all I do, that's all my team does. So if you have been in a car wreck and you're trying to deal with an insurance company yourself, don't go it alone, give us a call.